Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Hi guys! Welcome to my daddy's channel. I said to daddy, make me a car. I said, keep watching.
Hi everyone, so upon my daughter's request I've decided to have a crack at making this toy car. So sit back and enjoy as I take you through the process of making it. For similar projects like this, please check out my other videos and remember to subscribe to not miss my upcoming projects. So I started by cutting out the square pieces that you saw me mark at the beginning of the video. So as you can see, I sandwiched two pieces of wood together using screws, so once I make my car, two identical pieces will come out. This whole project can be made only using cardboard, similar to the toy bed I made. I made it with plywood as my kids can be heavy-handed. Now I will be hopeful and say this should last around a month in my house. So with the pieces cut, I dry fitted them just to make sure they fit together correctly. Here I am using a hole saw bit for the wheels. Here I am just sanding off the splinters from the edge of the wheels. Now I am just making the cut for the back piece. I secured the pieces using small pin nails. This can be done without a nail gun, using just hammer and small nails. I clamp the midsection so I can pin it. Here I am rounding off the corners for the windscreen to give it a curved look. I am rounding off the sharp edges so it is more comfortable to touch. So at this point my daughter got very excited, so I decided to let her help me. And yes, she has her own tools.
Okay.
Just grab your hammer.
Are you ready?
This one, okay? Okay, you do this one. Do this one. No, this one. So don't knock Daddy's nose off. 2 seconds.
Bang! Bang! Bang!
Okay, is that strong?
Yeah, that's done.
Check it then. Okay, I think.
Done. Are you ready? Now do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
This measurement is taken to cut out the bumper. It's just a small strip piece of wood. As you can see, I used a pencil to hold the wheels together and just cut off the excess using a hacksaw. I am drilling holes slightly bigger than the circumference of the pencil so the pencil can rotate inside the holes. Here I am just filling all the gaps using wood filler. I am using only wood glue for the seats of the car. Just checking that they all fit. I was worried Daddy Pig might not fit. Here I am just cutting out 2 side mirrors. Construction is complete, now to give it some life. I used acrylic paint with a paintbrush for the main body of the car and used an acrylic pen for the detailing of the car. I used masking tape not to mix colors when painting different parts of the car. I used a water-based brown paint for the seats. At this point, my daughter really wanted to get involved with the painting. So I had to take a moment to appreciate her artistic side if I wanted to finish this project.
Look, I'm painting too.
Oh wow, that looks so nice.
Look, Daddy Pig.
After my daughter's artistic outburst, I had to give this a quick wipe down. So this is the finished product. Very amazed to see what a bit of color can do. As some of you might have already guessed, I have based this on Daddy Pig's car, as my daughter is a fan of Peppa Pig.
Do please. Of course you can do. Let's go. Let's go see the animal storage. Look. Yeah, look. Your baby one. And Peppa just want to see elephants. You see elephants too far away. Maybe you can go up by your car. How do you go to the car? You see the elephants, George. Now we're here. Now, George, you can see elephant and Peppa see elephant. Beyond. Oops! This way. Mommy, I think Daddy's gonna go home. Mommy and Daddy going home now. Hi, Daddy Pig. Hi, Mommy Pig. Hi, George and Peppa. Now they're home.